Today we are here. I am Sister Mary George SMI, belonging to Sisters of Mary Immaculate of Bishop Moro from Krishnanagar, West Bengal. Now we are in Betul in Goa, but we would hear about Saint Francis Xavier not simply in Goa, but we would hear about him from our childhood. And Francis Xavier is the one who left his whole homeland, his whole worldly future. He came down and he never rested. We know how Saint Francis Xavier went ahead and speaking about Christ and being another Christ-like behavior. He won people's heart for Christ. And at a young age, he died too. But his footsteps are always there. We can see that his sacred body is still there. People come flocking to it every feast day for feast occasions, and people coming to Goa mainly for visiting this old Goa, this Bomb Jesus Basilica. So we are very happy today. We have also come as a pilgrim today as a community, and we prayed for all over. Our founder Bishop Moro would speak about Saint Francis Xavier every year during his feast, and he would give us great example how to be a great missionary. Always to be a humble missionary for Christ, giving everything for Christ, living for Christ, doing every little thing for Christ. And that way we know he would say, you never lose anything, but you gain more. You gain Christ, and we gain God, and you gain the whole people of God for him. So we are so happy, and I want to wish everyone a very happy feast all over the world, because he is a patron of all missions. And we know Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus also is proclaimed as a patron of the missions. Saint Francis Xavier going around the world, Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus sitting inside her convent, but both at par with one another as patrons of the missions. May Saint Francis Xavier pray for us and bless us and help us to be proclaimers of Christ, giving Christ to others and living for Christ. God bless us all. Thank you.